Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Starsong, and I guess this is my voice reveal, I guess. I'm just here with my club owner, Madeline Jewelfall, and she is on Discord with me. Say hi, Madeline.
I'm Clifford, the big red dog. I gotta go chase this person.
Oh man, they're fast. Aspen, I know her. I think we used to be friends.
Bust, blues.
Well, just go ahead and do that, Madeline.
I failed.
Wait, where'd you go? You disappeared.
I'm right here. Oh my God.
There you are.
It's about lost my buttons.
Your buttons?
He means pork butts.
Okay, and so, guys, I'm riding Tiger Lily, little sweet baby girl.
My horse is a shark and will eat your Tiger Lily.
No, she will not.
Yeah. Yummy eats tail.
What? No! No!
Yummy!
Don't eat me!
No!
Do not eat me! Please, I'm begging you! Okay, guys.
Wait, I'm gonna go into Herman's house. Come on, we gotta go show them how fat he is and how much he needs to go treadmilling with us.
That's kind of rude.
Dude, this guy looks like he's too damn old.
Lily, you're in the way. I can't get by her.
Dude, this guy is just smirking at me.
He's not even in here for me. He's gone. Like, he's nowhere.
Oh my God, well, he's at the fridge. He's probably he's probably gonna go take a dump.
I'm sick, so I sound like I'm dying when I laugh.
You are.
I sound like I'm dying when I laugh.
Because your name is Star and my name is SQ, aka or Pinky. I don't know. Lena came up with that name for me, SQ. It's weird.
Like the video, guys, if you want to see me do some dressage or whatever with the club, then I totally will.
This is called bloopers with someone.
Yes.
It's called Jelly Bean.
This is
I'm
just
a jelly
random
bean.
video.
I'm jelly bean.
She told me to do this, okay? This is just a random video. I don't even know how to title it. Zeta Ravenforest. Hello. Swift Cloud. Oh my goodness. I love that name. Swift Cloud. It's cute. Maddie, do you know her?
No.
Why are you saying her name? She's probably like, who are you? Get out of my face. She's like, go away. Just say hi and leave, okay?
You on YouTube, say hi.
She's probably like, what? And she
tells
you she's confused.
See, this person's so damn confused. Let's go. She's boring.
Okay.
I just wanted to bug her. I should have gone my zoning and harassed some people at the jail. Jump back here. Okay, where are you?
I'm
come
right
up here. I know it's a secret little place.
Whoa, slide.
Let me find it. It's not there. Right in here.
Maddie, where are you going? I'm confused.
Wait, let me find it. I'm finding a secret little den. Here. Jump down here.
Ah! Oh no, we're stuck, girl.
No, we're not.
There's no exit.
What's fine?
No, it's not. Tiger Lily is freaking out.
Do not dismount your horse.
Tiger Lily is freaking out.
Oh, wait, no. Look.
And we cannot fit.
You have to glitch.
We can't fit. Girl, we're stuck. Tiger.
Oh my god, I gotta go. I gotta
freaking
go.
out. She is scared. She does not like tight spaces. She is claustrophobic. Oh, you gotta go?
Yeah. Papa. Here, Lily. Here, Tiger Lily. Here's some depressing mints.
What?
Your horse is constipated. That's why.
Stop.
It's true. It's bloated.
What do you mean she's bloated? That's her regular. That's normal weight for a horse.
Are you sure your horse is not pregnant?
No.
Are you sure?
No, I keep my stallions and my mares in my stable separated, so shush.
Yeah, you put your stallions out in the field to die.
Hey, no I don't.
Or you let them go. Da-da-da.
I'm gonna have to call for pickup. We are not getting out of here. Unless somebody comes and breaks this wall down. Like, hey, let us out! Oops. I didn't mean to do that.
I already left.
What, you left?
Oh.
You left me.
Oh, I left. Oh, Kaido. I'll be back, Star. I love you. I quit the game. I just left the game.
Okay, well,
I'll
see you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
What's that video?
Bye.
Bye, Jelly Bean.
Jelly Bean? I thought I was Star.
Oh, I don't know. She got multiple nicknames. Goodbye.
Bye.
Call you later, like at 8.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll see you then. We'll talk to you then. See ya. Bye.
Cough, cough, cough.
Okay, guys. So that was my bestie and my club leader, Madeline Jewel Fall, and my new club, Saturn Nightingales. We are on the Stormy Pear server if you are interested in joining or even meeting me, even though I'm not very famous yet. Just come to the Stormy Pear server and mail Madeline Jewel Fall, and she will probably most likely let you in. So, this is the end of this video. So I will see you guys next post. I don't have a posting schedule yet, so it'll probably just be whenever. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!